Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to post on Bluesky. It's very simple and easy. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, open the Bluesky application, then tap on this icon in the bottom right hand side. Before creating a post you have to verify your email. So first verify your email by tapping on send confirmation. A confirmation code will be sent on your email, so write the confirmation code here and tap on confirm in the bottom. You can see email has been successfully verified. Now I can easily post. Simply tap here and write what you want to write in your post. You can write up to 300 letters. You can also add a photo, video or take a picture right now, and the fourth option is to add a GIF. And after GIF you will see a plus, tap on it and you can add another post. Here you can also see an option anybody can interact, so tap on it. Here you can customize who can interact with this post, so set this according to your requirement, and once you are done simply tap on post on the top right corner. You can see post has been published. Let's see in the profile, and here you can see the post. So this is how you can post on Bluesky.